Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll walk you through how to contact Coinbase customer service in 2025, whether you're dealing with account access, payment issues, or anything else. Let's dive in. First, open your browser and head to help.coinbase.com. Scroll down and click support or contact us to unlock their help center packed with guides and troubleshooting. Review those help articles first. They cover everything from verification and security to trading and withdrawals and might just solve your issue right away. If you still need help, scroll to the bottom and hit Contact Us. Choose a topic that fits your problem and fill out the support ticket form. That usually works smoothly. You also have the option to call Coinbase directly. The official number in the US and Canada is 1-8889 0897930, available 24/7. Make sure it's the one listed on Coinbase's site. Only that number is legit. Be cautious though. Coinbase will never call you first, ask you for remote access, passwords, or two-factor codes. If someone does, it's a scam. Always reach out using official channels. So to recap, visit the help center, check the articles, submit a ticket if needed, or call officially if you want to speak to someone. Just make sure to stay scam aware. I hope this guide helped you get in touch with Coinbase support safely. If it did, drop a like, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.